Hello, class. I received a question from a student that they were having trouble accessing the textbook. So this short video will show you some tips and tricks about how to access the textbook. Starting from the link I received from the student, I'm going to go ahead and click that link. And the link takes me to this page. Hopefully you all are able to get this far, and if not, please reach out and I can help you get the correct link. From here, there's a couple of things you can do. One is you can scroll down and there's the book. It's at the bottom of the page. You can select any link and it'll take you right to the book. So this is the actual book. Another thing you can do from this home page is you can select Read Book, and on the left you'll see Contents, and there's the book right there. You can click any of these and it shows you every section of the chapter. So that's the second way to get in. Okay, back to the original home page here. The next thing you can do is download this book. I like to download the book and I'll show you why. Let me make the screen smaller so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, if you select this arrow, it gives you several options for ways to download the book. You can choose any option that you have access to. I like to print the PDF. When you select Print PDF, it immediately starts to download at the bottom. This is, of course, for PCs. Macs are a little different, but Print PDF should work for both a Mac and a PC. Once you print this, I highly select that you drag it or save it onto your desktop. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and here's my book. When you put it in your hard drive, then the book becomes searchable. So if you use Control F, you can search anything. So let's say I want to find out where self-concept is in the book. Now it'll take you, there's 25 instances where self-concept appears in the book, and you can scroll. This is extremely helpful when you're taking the exams. You can type keywords in and find the instance in the book where I created the exam question, and you can use this information to link your answer back to the book. So hopefully this helps. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email me, and have a great day.